Yes, they are doing their best. It's just that the factors that will necessitate a critical change has not been brought upon us because it's also anchored on timing. When the election gets extremely close, let's say we'll hit like 2026 and the party primaries are done, candidates are being brought forward, we'll now have a clear picture of what's expected. And persons who are decamping now are decamping for personal and obvious reasons. And then when the election comes closer, because this one we are seeing now is first acceleration of the process. But sooner or later, we're going to get the true, when the time is at hand, we'll now know exactly how the process. But so far, so good. They've been doing their best. We're seeing gales of defection, especially in northern and the southwestern part of the country. We've seen many politicians openly identify with the platform, knowing fully well that the establishment still has the capacity to intimidate them using the security apparatus, the FCC, the anti-graft agencies, but there's still some level of dispassion. There's a level of they have courage. They have courage, and to stand against a very territorial government as we have it today, that is very dispassionate in its approach. They have done well. They have done well. We should give them courage. We should salute their courage and see how it pans out and how the whole thing process shapes out in the coming days.